Did you know good intentions can lead to financial disaster, even for faithful Christians? Jennifer and Mark thought they were being perfect stewards when they tapped their $80,000 home equity line of credit. Half went to start a ministry-focused business, half to upgrade their home for hosting church gatherings. They believed using their home's value to serve God was biblical stewardship, but their business struggled and needed another $40,000 from the same credit line. Then the housing market dipped, shrinking their equity. Variable interest rates jumped from 4% to 8.5% overnight. Monthly payments doubled from $600 to $100. That's when they realized they had violated biblical principles about debt and presumption. Their home transformed from a blessing into a crushing burden. Despite faithfully tithing and serving, they faced foreclosure. The recovery took years, but they learned a crucial lesson. True biblical stewardship never risks the family's shelter, no matter how good the intentions appear.